The airing down of tires prior to off-road activities has long been a customary practice for the jeeping enthusiast. Even before the advent of an air down assist mechanism, it was customary to use whatever resources were available at the time, and yes, it took some time. But when adventure awaits, we do what we must. The simple screw-on valve stem deflator was one of the first devices, well, right after the key, that was developed to assist with airing down. But it's slow, and there is no way of monitoring air pressure. But worst of all, if there are any distractions that draw the attention of the air downer from the task at hand, oh, and the possibilities are endless. There is a strong, even likely outcome of an overzealous air release to zero pressure, or flat disappointing, as I like to call it. As time marched on, a faster and pressure-sensitive system for deflation was developed. The risk of total tire pressure loss during the air-down process could be avoided with hand-eye coordination and careful monitoring of an analog gauge. There was, however, the potential for occasional Schrader valve blowout during reinstallation. Inadvertent ingestion is a threat that should not be ignored. The doctor's suggestion for the Schrader valve recovery included a 1-gallon Ziploc bag and a pair of surgical gloves. Okay, that's just not right. But when TeraFlex introduced its revolutionary Nomad wheels equipped with easy-to-use air deflators, the Jeep air down ritual was made easy. It was completely transformed. With the twist of an attractive red knob, lowering one's tire pressure to a precise and previously determined off-road air pressure was the envy of all, especially those kneeling or bending in undignified positions as they were forced to monitor outdated devices for the desired air pressure and sat waiting for the results. We heard your cries, and our engineering team took the challenge to fill your burning desire for a permanent, easy-to-use air-down solution compatible with your existing wheels. Introducing the TeraFlex Universal Tire Deflator, a precision-crafted permanent valve stem that provides most any wheel with the air-down ease of a TeraFlex Nomad wheel. No more searching for valve stem Schrader valves that were blown into orbit when the tool didn't seat them correctly. No hoses to hook up and pack around after you've been dragging them around in the mud. And no new wheels to buy. Just remove your old valve stem and replace it with a new TeraFlex Universal Deflator. And don't forget to secure that TPMS sensor to the provided mount on the new deflator valve stem. With the universal deflators installed and aired up, make a one-time adjustment to your desired trail air pressure. Yes, it will stop letting air out when your pressure is reached. Just hand tighten the air release when it stops, and you're ready to hit the trail. I'm Dennis at TeraFlex.